I was sitting in my bedroom in the recliner, ready to relax and enjoy the movie. I reached for the remote, turned on the TV, and that's when things started getting strange. The channels began flipping on their own, not at a normal pace, but rapidly. So fast it was impossible for anyone to press the buttons that quickly. I stared at the screen confused. Maybe the batteries in the remote were low, so I swapped them out, but that didn't help. The channels just kept flashing like a blur, like the TV had a mind of its own. Finally, I sighed and just turned it off and thought to myself, guess I'll be buying a new one tomorrow. For a second, I just sat there puzzled before saying out loud, where's all this light coming from? When I turned toward the window, though, my stomach dropped.